If you've lost access to your Wells Fargo account due to suspicious activity, it's important to follow the proper steps to regain access. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Contact Wells Fargo customer service. Call the Wells Fargo customer service number at 1-800-869-3000, Explain your situation and inform them that you are unable to access your account due to suspicious activity. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, providing your account number, or confirming personal information such as your social security number or address. Step 3. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the customer service representative's instructions. They may guide you through a series of steps to secure your account and may temporarily lock it to prevent further unauthorized access. Step 4. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will likely be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance your account security. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, monitor your account for any unusual activity. Consider setting up account alerts and reviewing your transaction history regularly to ensure everything is in order. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Wells Fargo account and help protect it from future suspicious activity. Always remember to stay vigilant about your account security.